Hello everyone. Instagram just released a new feature called Blend. This feature lets you and a friend create a shared Reels feed based on what both of you like. Basically, it's a custom mix of Reels just for the two of you created by Instagram algorithm. To use Blend, follow these steps. First, open your Instagram. In home page, on the top, tap on direct icon. Now select your friend chat. Now if your Instagram is updated and this feature available for you, on the top you see blend icon. Tap on it. Now you must invite your friend to create a shared Reels feed and your friend must accept this invite. Tap on it. Now your friend must accept this invite. For example, me as a friend, I receive this message and I must tap on go to blend and I must tap on join. Now me and that friend have a shared Reels feed based on what we both like. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.